So welcome back to my channel, and for this video we're going to talk about the two criteria to use stock screeners and find discounted stocks. So this is really a 6-part video training series where we talk about how to use stock screeners, when to use it, why would you use it, and how do you use it. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. So before we start, I just want to celebrate another successful story within Investing Accelerator where Raman made 100% gain in FedEx within 3 months. So congratulations, Raman, for making 100% on FedEx in 3 months. And that's an awesome achievement. And he's actually one of the 11 students who made 100% from a single investment to date. Right now, I'm running a 100 likes campaign. If there are 100 likes on this video, then I want to give one person a book that I like in terms of technical analysis. So in the previous video, I have given out Infinite Game by Simon, Harmonic Trading 1, which is a book on technical analysis and patterns, Harmonic Trading 2, and right now it's Harmonic Trading 3. So there are 3 books in total, and this one is really about reaction and reversal. Harmonic Trading is really one of my favorite series. And for some odd reasons, their books are kind of expensive. It's like $70. If we reach 100 likes for this video, then I will personally ship that book to you if you win it. So make sure you like this video, leave a comment below, and I'll select one winner once we reach 100 likes. So let's get started. For a stock screener to find discounted stocks, there are 2 main criteria I use. The first one is mainly technical analysis. For Chartmill, I actually use the EMA on a weekly basis. And this is something that is only available on Chartmill and not FinViz. So if you are using Chartmill, then this will work for you. Now, if you look at or go through my free chart course, then you actually find that the exact criteria I use is actually 100 EMA on a weekly basis. But then that is not available for this stock screener. So we got to compromise a little bit and we'll use the best alternative, which is and simple moving average of 30 weeks. So when you think about it, this means you are using an average of the last half a year or so to determine whether the stock is on a discount or not. So in this case, I like to use 2 years average, but then in this case, we're using a half a year average, and you want the price to be below that average. So that's when you click on this, and then you will be able to find stocks that are below the weekly average. Now you can of course apply the regular above medium criteria as well. So this one. So then you eliminate a lot of the stocks. And that is pretty much the 2 key criteria that I use to find stocks that are on a discount. And you'll see that the population here is still quite large. So if you refer to my previous video, then you'll actually find that I use a couple of more fundamental analysis type filters as well to find profitable companies. So then you can refer to that video in terms of those criteria. Now there's actually one more trickier criterion I want to cover, which is the price change for the last 12 months. So let me just find that here. So 12 months performance. So this is really talking about the price performance. And you kind of want to be careful of this because it can get tricky. But basically, you want to determine the 52-week high and low and how far it is away from it. So if you want a deep discount, you want to set this to be more aggressive. If you don't mind as much of a discount, then yeah, you can think about how you want to determine it. But when you think about it, for the last 12 months, if you choose a company that is very, very negative, then that means there's a major event that hit that company really hard. If you choose one that is kind of the same as 12 months ago, so then the trend might be flat, or it might be even, kind of like a triangle where it went up and then it came back down, or it went down and came back up, and it's still below the SMA 30 weeks. So I would say to start, you want to start with maybe 0%. So if you do so, then you can see that we still have 576 stocks. If you apply some fundamental criteria, then that will go down further. But you might want to consider, well, I want it to be dropping for the last 12 months. Then you might want to be like, I want a 30% discount. So here I find something that is at least 30% discount. And then now there's 272 results. So that's one way you can filter in terms of using price. And in terms of a bonus tip, I will just throw in a bonus tip here as well, is you can use the 52-week high and low as well. So let me see if I can find it here. So here, new 52-week low in the last 5 days. I think this is actually quite a good criteria because right now it means either the stock is dropping and it's making a 52-week low. So then that means you will be early, but then you are definitely getting a discount. So once you get this list of 27 results or whatnot, then you really need to do more research over it. So for example, General Electric. So even though General Electric is on a discount or whatnot, you need to do fundamental analysis and more research over it to make sure you obtain enough comfort over the company itself. Okay, so those are the two main criteria, which is the SMA 30, medium cap. In terms of bonus tips, you can use the price change for the last 12 months or a 52-week low in order to find stock that are on a discount. And afterwards, then you can use technical analysis and fundamental analysis to do further filtering. So that's pretty much it for this video. And my name is Seto, and I have been investing for over 12 years, and I've been teaching investing for 2.5 years now. And my mission is really to help people without a financial background to target 30% a year. So like always, I have a lot of free resources that is in the description and the comment section. So there's a free case study below that will link you to a webinar that is free that will outline how I invest in the market. And so make sure you watch that if this is your first time here. If you didn't grab the free chart course, which has the exact template I use to invest in the market, then make sure you get it. It's in the comments and the description as well. And in terms of the giveaway to get Harmonic Trading Volume 3, just like the video and leave a comment below, and then I will pick a winner when we reach 100 likes. And the next and the final video is 3 reasons why I don't like to use a stock screener. And this is actually a bit counterintuitive because I did a whole training series just to tell you how to use a stock screener. And then now I'll tell you the reasons why I don't like to use one. So this will really give you both sides of the coin, because I think it's very important when you're investing to know when you should use a tool and when you shouldn't use a tool. And that's what the final video is about. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that final video. I'll see you in the next one. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please help support me by subscribe, and you can watch the next recommended video here as well.